Cheetos.
We already talked about Cheetos.
I know, but I like Cheetos. I really like Cheetos.
I'll be back.
Do you like bananas with cookies on it?
I got Kool-Aid.
Ugh, yeah.
Cheetos.
In your mouth, dude. Oh my God. Try to give you food and then you do like that. Hacha capa. Pussy ass.
Go ahead.
You talk about you're too funny.
I want to talk about bunnies. I'd like to name this bunny George the Second. George the Second.
Okay. Why you're the second? Wow.
Due to the passing of the first George,
The chicken.
the rubber chicken, I had a bunny now.
Are you
He
gonna
says
call
meow.
Are you gonna call the nigger bunny? Because you're gonna make him black. Now you do it short.
George.
Okay, George. Do you have George like? Okay. Huh? Do you have George?
No, Alexa.
Tell Alexa to get help.